What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, GodSents and GoodHearts. Welcome back to Canvaplay. Have you watched part 1 of my caricature portrait tutorial? If you haven't yet, I hope you'll find the time to watch it, because that's where we started building our caricature from the very beginning. And now, welcome to part 2. I've always been fascinated by caricature art. Whenever I see a beautiful caricature, I can't help but stop scrolling and take a closer look. There's something so creative and expressive about the way an artist can capture a person's personality through exaggerated features. And I thought, why not create my own? But this time, I wanted something a little different, not a full-body caricature, but a head-to-shoulder portrait, just like what you're seeing on your screen right now. And I also wanted that beautiful drawn or sketch-like appearance, while keeping the person recognizable. But here's the fun part, the expressions. I created different expressions and mixed emotions that you can also apply to your own caricature, so your portrait doesn't just look like you, it can also show your personality and mood. Before, creating something like this would usually mean hiring an artist, but with Canva's newer tools and a little creativity, we can now explore the possibility of creating our own caricature right inside Canva. So, if you're ready, let's continue the caricature portrait journey and create our own. If you found part 1 of this caricature portrait tutorial easy, then you're going to find this one even easier. In part 1, we created a whole body caricature, but in this part 2, we'll focus on creating a head-to-shoulder caricature portrait in sketch style. Here's the Canvaplay way of creating a caricature portrait head-to-shoulder in sketch style. Just like in part 1, we'll simplify the process into 3 essential steps. First, caricature in Pixar Disney animation style. Second, caricature expression. And third, caricature in sketch style. All 3 steps will be created with the help of Canva's Magic Edit, using the Canvaplay Caricature Portrait Magic Edit prompts. So, if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1. Caricature in Pixar Disney animation style. To start, I'll select my photo from Uploads. Then, I'll click Edit and remove the background. But before we transform it into a Pixar Disney animation style caricature, I want to first establish the visual characteristics I want to achieve. For this caricature, my main proportion goal is a big head, a long neck, and tiny shoulders. This is the exaggerated proportion look I want to create. So, let's create it. Go to Edit, then select Tools, and choose Magic Edit. Type a prompt to transform the image into a caricature. I've created a special prompt that I call the Canvaplay Caricature Head to Shoulder Magic Edit prompt. I'm going to type the prompt into the prompt box or simply copy and paste it. You can find the complete prompt below for your reference. Then, click Generate. Now, let's wait for Magic Edit to process the image. And here it is. A caricature in Pixar Disney animation style. Notice how Magic Edit transformed the image with an oversized head, an elongated neck, and tiny shoulders, creating that exaggerated caricature proportion we're looking for. Step 1 is done. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Caricature expression. Now that we have our caricature proportions, let's give it some expression. To make this easier, I'll use the same 36 Canvaplay caricature expression prompts from part 1. These prompts are designed to create fun, expressive, and exaggerated emotions, and you'll find the complete list in the description below. In caricature, proportion creates the exaggerated look, while expression gives it personality and brings it to life. For this demonstration, I'll duplicate the caricature into 5 pages and create 5 different expressions from the same character. Let's begin. For my first example, I want to create a charming expression. Using the image, go to Edit, Tools, then Magic Edit. In the prompt box, I'll copy and paste the charming expression prompt. Then, click Generate. Let's see the result. And here it is. Wow! A caricature with a charming smiling eyes and softly lifted cheeks. Now, let's move on to our second expression. Again, go to Edit, Tools, then Magic Edit. This time, I'll use the laughing expression prompt from our prompt list. Copy and paste the prompt. Then click Generate. Let's let Magic Edit work its magic and create the laughing expression. And here's the result. A caricature with a big, exaggerated laugh. I'm really impressed. For our third example, let's go in the completely opposite direction. Go to Edit, Tools, then Magic Edit. This time, I want an angry expression. In the prompt box, copy and paste the angry expression prompt. Click Generate, and let's wait for the result. And here it is. An angry caricature. I really like how exaggerated the expression turned out. For our fourth example, I want something more fun and energetic, a playful expression. Go to Edit, Tools, then Magic Edit. This is the playful prompt taken from the prompt list. Copy and paste it in the prompt box. Click Generate, and let's see how it turns out. And here's the result. A very playful caricature. I'm amazed at how much personality Magic Edit can add to our caricature. And finally, for our fifth and last example, let's go all out with a wacky expression. Go to Edit, Tools, then Magic Edit. Copy and paste the wacky expression prompt in the prompt box. Click Generate once again, and let's see what Magic Edit comes up with. And here it is. A wonderfully wacky expression indeed. Now, these are the 5 caricature expressions we created. Wacky, playful, angry, laughing, and charming. And just like that, step 2 is done. We've given our caricature different emotions and personalities. Now, let's move on to our last and final step. Step 3. Caricature in sketch style. After establishing our caricature proportions and exaggerating the expression, it's time to give our caricatures an artistic finish. For this step, we're going to transform our caricatures into sketch-style portraits. And the best part? I didn't use any third-party app for this. We're going to use Canva's edit tool, Magic Edit, together with my Canvaplay caricature in sketch-style prompt to create this effect. So, let's transform these caricatures into sketch-style portraits. Using the image, go to Edit. Then go to Tools and select Magic Edit. I created a simple prompt called the Canvaplay caricature in sketch style prompt. You can find this in the description below. Simply type or copy and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Then, click Generate. And now, let's wait for Magic Edit to do its magic. And here's the result. A beautiful caricature portrait in sketch style. Now, let's apply the same process to our other 5 caricatures. Edit image. Tools. Magic Edit. Copy and paste the Canvaplay prompt. and generate. And here's our charming caricature in sketch style. Let's go to the next one. Edit image. Tools. Magic Edit. Copy and paste the Canvaplay prompt. And generate. And here's our laughing caricature in sketch style. Let's go for the next one. Edit image. Tools. Magic Edit. Copy and paste the Canvaplay prompt. And generate. And here's our angry caricature in sketch style. For the fourth one, let's do the same process. Edit image. Tools. Magic Edit. Copy and paste the Canvaplay prompt. And generate. And here's our playful caricature in sketch style. And finally, let's create the last one. Edit image. Tools. Magic Edit. Copy and paste the Canvaplay prompt. And generate. And here's our wacky caricature in sketch style. And there you have it. Step 3 done. Now, let's see all of them once again. Look at how the sketch treatment gives each caricature a completely different artistic feel, while keeping their exaggerated personality and recognizable features. Did you like them as much as I do? I'm sure you did. And that's how you can turn your caricatures into beautiful sketch-style portraits using Canva alone. These are the design inspirations I created for you, showcasing 36 caricature portraits with different expressions, all created using the Canvaplay prompts list. And now, let's take a little time to enjoy each one. As you watch these designs, notice how a simple change in expression can completely transform the personality of a caricature. The face may be exaggerated, the proportions may be playful, and the features may be larger than life, but the expression is what gives the character its personality. Sometimes it only takes a smile to make a character feel joyful. A raised eyebrow can make the same character look curious or surprised. A little change in the eyes can make the expression feel dreamy, shy, innocent, or even mysterious. And that is what makes creating caricatures so much fun. You can start with the same person, the same basic proportions, and the same head-to-shoulder composition, and yet, with a different expression, you can create an entirely different character. So, as we continue through the final inspirations, I hope you'll not only enjoy looking at these caricatures, but also imagine what you could create with them. Perhaps your own caricature portrait, a caricature of a friend, a fun profile picture, a birthday greeting, a creative social media post, or simply something you make because you enjoy creating. Because sometimes, the best designs don't need a special reason. Sometimes, we simply create because creating makes us happy. And that is what I hope Canvaplay continues to bring to you: simple ideas, creative inspiration, and techniques that encourage you to experiment and have fun. And remember, you don't have to stop at these 36 expressions. Think of them as a starting point, mix them, exaggerate them, and most importantly, have fun creating your own. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. For more creative techniques, design inspiration, and easy-to-follow Canva tutorials, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so you'll be among the first to see our upcoming videos. Your support truly means the world to us. Every like, every comment, and every subscription helps Canvaplay reach more creative minds around the world. More importantly, it inspires us to continue creating tutorials that make designing fun, accessible, and enjoyable for everyone. So stay with us until the very last design inspiration. Dear GodSents and GoodHearts, I hope these creations brighten your day, bring a smile to your face, and inspire you to turn your own creative ideas into something beautiful. This is Pinky GodSent VA, together with Simon GoodHeart V, sincerely thanking you for spending your valuable time with us and for watching all the way through. And always remember, creativity becomes even more meaningful when it's shared. Sharing is caring. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep playing with Canva. This is Canvaplay, where creativity has no limits.